How does gentle handling work? The POSISORTER high capacity handles parcels more gently by eliminating the initial impact between the sorting shoe and the parcel. Sorting happens in two stages. First, the shoe moves along the target parcel, then gently pushing the parcel along the controlled curve, ensuring smooth handling throughout the process. How does gentle handling set POSISORTER high capacity apart from conventional sorters? Unlike traditional sorters, the POSISORTER high capacity uses a gentle pre-alignment process, which provides greater control over the parcel and improves sorting accuracy. This also helps reduce parcel damage, making it a more advanced and parcel-friendly sorting solution. Does gentle handling slow down the sorting process? There's no trade-off between gentle handling and capacity. The POSISORTER high capacity delivers both, handling parcels gently while achieving high throughput, with capacities up to 80,000 parcels per hour and high sorting accuracy.